Kungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen, and we are back here at Sir Henry's, and as you can see, I'm going to try something new, but there's a couple of houses that are allowing me to do something special. So for 2 of these houses, you're not only going to see this footage of this infrared camera pointing at me, but you're also going to see what I am seeing at the same time. All right, so first up, Agua de Muerte. It's about Spanish explorers trying to find the Fountain of Youth, and they find the Fountain of Death instead. Let's go do this. Here we go. Oh, cool.
¡Por favor! ¡No se vayan! ¡Las aguas están en la oficina! ¡No se vayan!
I need to take a babble before I do this house. Hi. Oh, hola. I'm not funny. More hanging laundry. Ow! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Ay, Dios mío! Okay, hey, we found the fountain. Good news, everyone. That's whoa. Okay. Yeah, muerte, absolutely. Yo, my. No van agua. Was not expecting that. Little bouncy bridge. Okay. And we're still. Yeah. We oh my goodness. When did we get to St. Augustine?
¡Toma el agua para ser salvado! ¡Toma el agua!
Oh, this is some low bridge. Okay. Am I moving too fast? That seems structurally unsound. Oh, hey, yeah, great. Oh, look. There's your water, Chris.
Look up.
And it's... oh. Hi. Whoa, low, okay. Whoa. Wow. Okay. The ending to that was amazing. So this is a haunted hayride. Wait, which one's general admission? Left is general admission? Over there. We go the other way.
Foolish souls! You were told to stay away from these woods. On this night, All Hallows Eve, the dead will rise from their graves, returning to their dwelling, and lying in wait for your doomed wagon to pass through. The is no escape. Your souls will be mine as these legends of Halloween come back to life. Your fear will be unleashed. They belong to me. Terrible fate. Creature, arise, my faithfuls. Do thy bidding. No one is safe. Just trick or treaters, poisoned candy, and a creature to devour you. This is what it is in this neighborhood of Halloween. Trick or treat!
Hey y'all, how are y'all tonight? I hope y'all know we can hear y'all bickering from miles away.
I can smell your rotting flesh as it covers the ground, giving life to the harvest. Hold on to your head.
But I hope y'all are excited because y'all are going to be the main part this evening, especially the main course.
All right.
Now we got some radishes to feed, we got some carrots. Y'all are going to be the best fertilizer we see this season.
Anybody gonna miss you guys?
I hope not. Well, some of them are older, but we do have a selection. One of them looks like they're pretty young. What's your name?
Yeah, we just gotta get them in the barn before they run away.
And the bed.
All right, get in there.
Play some Skinner.
I hope you're excited.
One of those.
Dougie, fresh fertilizer. Those scarecrows can smell your rotting flesh now. Yeah, that's right. We use humans to fertilize our crops. He's gotta do what he's gotta do. Corn tastes so much sweeter with human blood anyway. Don't go snooping around or telling anyone about our little secret here.
It's time to wake up.
The harvester will see to that himself.
Mr. Piggy.
Why don't we just cut you up right now?